Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making beef pot pie. The ingredients that we're going to need today are about 2 to 2.5 pounds of boneless beef. We're going to need salt, which I will not be putting in to my pot pie. Ground black pepper, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots peeled and cut into 1/2 inch pieces, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 cup of red wine, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of beef broth. We're also going to need 1 heaping tablespoon of the beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of frozen peas, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme, and 1 large egg, and also our pie crust. Don't be overwhelmed. This is a pretty easy recipe. So guys, I went and measured out all my ingredients. When you cut your carrots, make sure that you cut them all the same size. Next, we're going to move on to the pie crust. Now you should preheat your oven at 350 degrees. The pie crust that I'm using is the Pillsbury pie crust, the one that has 2 crusts in the box. I also have a Pyrex pie dish. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the pie crust out. Okay guys, before I put the crust into my pie dish, I sprayed it with butter flavored non-stick spray. Okay guys, I have my pie crust in my pan. Now you have to be very careful when you're doing this. I suggest you have your pie crust sitting out so that it's room temperature and is able to be worked into your pan. So be very careful not to break it or get any holes in it or any rips. And now you want to put this in your oven for 25 minutes. Remember, 350 degrees in 25 minutes. I have my little ladybug timer. Okay guys, I have my beef cubes in the bowl. I already mixed it with black pepper. I did use a little bit of the adobo light salt, and you could put your table salt in if that's what you're using. Next, we're going to go over to our pot, and we're going to go ahead and put the 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay guys, you want to put your pot on, and you want the heat to be medium. Next, I'm going to add my olive oil to the bottom. I'm going to let that heat up, and then we're going to add our beef cubes so we can brown them. Okay guys, I've added the beef to the pot. Now all we're going to do is let that go ahead and brown. Make sure all the beef is touching the bottom of the pot, not piled up on top of each other. And we're going to let that cook until it gets brown. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and add our onion. And also our garlic. And you can go ahead and grab your carrots, add them in also at this time. And we're going to go ahead and mix it. Mix it up real good. It's starting to smell good. Get everything nicely coated. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on so the onions and the carrots can start to cook down. Guys, we're going to leave the lid on for 3 minutes. And then we're going to go and check it and add our tomato paste. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. And as you can see, everything is cooking up nicely. You can see it's made its own juice at the bottom. So next we're going to add in the tomato paste. Okay, I've added the tomato paste. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. It's looking beautiful. Now, sorry about that. I'm going to add in your red wine. Go ahead and stir that all in. Get everything nice and coated. This smells great, you guys. Remember, your heat is at medium. And bring that to just a little boil. Just like that. Now guys, we're going to go ahead and take our flour and sprinkle it on top, just like this. Okay, you can go ahead and mix that in. As you can see, it's thickening up the sauce that's already in there. Mix that real good till you don't see any more of the flour. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Now guys, we're going to go ahead and add our beef broth. We're going to go ahead and add our bouillon powder. And we're going to give that a nice good stir. Just like so. This looks good, doesn't it? It looks good, it smells good, and it's going to taste good. Next guys, we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce, our soy sauce. We're going to add a little sugar for balance. Go ahead and mix that up. Make sure you mix it real good. Next, we can't forget about our peas. Go ahead and mix that in. And now, our bay leaf and also our thyme. I'm going to lay that in there just like that. Go ahead. Push that in there like that. Put our lid on. Lower the heat some. And go ahead and let that simmer some. Okay guys, the 25 minutes is up. It's okay if your pie crust shrinks some on the side. We can fix that with the top covering. So we're going to go ahead now. Go back to our pot. Take the thyme and the bay leaf out. And we're going to start filling our pie crust. Okay guys, I'm about to remove the bay leaf. Also the thyme. Go ahead and move that around. One more little piece in here. Okay. This time we've turned our heat off. And now it's time to fill the pie crust up. Okay guys, as I said, don't worry about the pie crust shrinking down on the side some. We're going to fix that with the top crust. And as long as it's moving like this, we know it's not going to stick to anything. So now I'm going to go ahead and start filling up our crust. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just like that. Doesn't that look pretty? It's colorful, smells good. Get some more. Alright guys, just continue to go ahead and fill it up. Okay guys, I have my bottom pie crust filled. It looks so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my other pie crust for the top. I also have my egg wash ready. Okay guys, I put my top crust on. Now what we're going to do is cut 4 slices in here. Maybe a couple more to make it look pretty. And that's it guys. We're going to go ahead and put that back in our oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. See you then. And guys, don't forget to put your egg wash on your beef pot pie before you put it into the oven. Hey guys, an hour is up. And look at this beautiful beef pot pie. It's nice and golden. I just wanted to tell you guys, don't be discouraged by all the ingredients in this pot pie. If you follow every instruction and every step, you'll be able to make a pot pie just like this. Okay guys, here's our beef pot pie. This is what the inside looks like. And thank you again for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.